Who here remembers their parents shouting this at dinner? Sit up straight! It's a lot for you, isn't it? But why? All it did was take your mouth further away from your food, right? Today, we're going to look at how improving your posture can affect you not just physically, but mentally as well. So put your head up, shoulders back, and let's start today's episode by Health Chronicle. The human body isn't designed for slouching. It may seem like it's easier, but it actually puts more strain on your muscles and joints, particularly those of your spine. When it comes to sitting, here's what you should be doing. Your butt should touch the back of the chair. If you don't have a support where your back curves in, a good thing to do is sit back, draw yourself up to a full height, push your chest out, and then relax a little. Your feet should be flat on the floor, with your knees at least as high as your hips. So rest them on something if you can. Keep your weight spread evenly, so it's better not to cross your legs. Obviously, all this is good for your back, neck, and shoulders. But what about the most important thing? That little world inside your head. Psychologists have recently been looking at the link between posture and mood. It's no surprise that people who are depressed will slouch, but a study from the University of Auckland in 2017 suggests that just the act of sitting up straight can make people feel more upbeat and have less sense of fatigue. That's not all. Researchers said that an improved posture could even make you feel more proud after a success, increase your persistence at an unsolvable task, and make you feel more confident in your thoughts. But you may ask, how does this work? Well, Richard Petty is a professor of psychology at Ohio State University, and he explains that some moods have a kind of positive feedback loop. If you can trick yourself into feeling more confident, then you do really become more confident. He compares it to smiling. When you are happy, you smile. But just the act of smiling can also trigger happiness. For people, just like in the animal kingdom, standing tall is seen as a dominant, powerful position. So by straightening up, your brain is switched into a more confident mode. So what can you do to improve your posture? How do you go from crouching like Gollum to striding around like Gandalf? It's all about building your core strength. Yoga is an excellent way to do this, as you develop muscles without any high-impact actions that could cause an injury. If yoga isn't your cup of chai, then try some simple exercises while lying on your back. By extending one leg at a time and pulling the other knee to your chest, you work both your abdominals and your back. Or you could simply do crunches from this position, but make sure you don't overstretch your neck. Core exercises such as this will make it easier for you to make yourself sit and stand straight. And when it comes to your mental health, well, we all know what a big improvement any kind of exercise can have there. Don't forget, as Dr. Richard Petty said in his research, emotions and thoughts affect our posture and energy levels. Conversely, posture and energy affect our emotions and thoughts. So, if you are ever feeling low, or you're sitting at your desk feeling you can't do the task you need to complete, well, pull yourself up to your full height, drag your shoulders back, lift up your head, take a deep breath, and there we go. The world is a slightly better place. Now that you're going to work out to fix your posture, it would be helpful to know what the best time to work out would be. Watch this video here. You can also click on the left to subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on how to make your tomorrow a little bit healthier than today.